In this guide, I'll show you how to fix cannot use content error on PS5 and restore licenses for your content. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings in the top right corner on your main account where you purchase games, DLC, and more, and then you want to go to users and accounts. From here, you want to scroll down to other, and the first thing we're going to be doing is restoring licenses. Restoring licenses for downloaded content you can't use. Now here's where you should see all of the content available on your account. So go ahead and select the content that you can't use. And once you've done that, you want to select Restore in the bottom right corner. Now this shouldn't take very long to complete. And once this is finished, what you want to do is go back to that content and see if it works. Now, if it's still not working at this point, the next thing you want to do is go to console sharing and offline play. And you want to ensure that you have this set up enabled on the account that you're trying to use the content. This will essentially make it that all the other accounts on your PS5 will be able to access the content, and you'll be able to access it even if you don't have an internet connection. Now, that could be another thing that could be causing the issue if that wasn't enabled and you're having difficulties with your internet, or if the PlayStation Network was down, that could be one of the reasons why it wasn't working. So you can check the PlayStation Network status here if you wanted to. You just want to ensure that they're all green for these circles here, indicating that there's no issues on PlayStation's end, which there isn't. Another thing you could try is if this content wasn't purchased on this account you're currently using, what you'll have to do is switch over to that other account and make it the primary account like we just did on this account by going to console sharing and offline play and enabling it on this account so you can access it on this one. It's a little bit tricky, but try those steps and see if it works. Another thing you could also try doing is deleting the content. So let's say, for example, this content wasn't working. I could go and delete it and try to reinstall it, as well as restarting the console itself to see if it fixes the issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.